Hello everyone, welcome back to English Fluency Teacher. Today we talk about don't waste your life. You want more from life: success, love, freedom, peace of mind, and a sense that your days truly matter. Deep inside, most people carry dreams that feel bigger than their current reality. Maybe you want to build a career you're proud of, support your family, learn new skills, or simply wake up feeling happy and motivated. Wanting more is natural. It's a sign that your heart is alive and searching for purpose. But wanting alone is not enough. Many people spend years dreaming yet never take real steps forward. The difference between a life that feels meaningful and a life that feels wasted is often one simple thing: action. Every day you choose either growth or comfort, movement or delay. Small choices shape big futures, even when they seem unimportant at the time. Life moves quickly, whether you are ready or not. Days turn into weeks, weeks into years, and suddenly you look back wondering where the time went. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start, the perfect mood, the perfect plan, or the perfect opportunity. But perfection is an illusion. Progress happens through imperfect steps, mistakes, and learning experiences. You don't need to know everything to begin, you just need enough courage to start. When you take even one small action toward your goals, you send a message to yourself that your dreams are worth effort. That message slowly builds confidence and strength. Fear is one of the biggest reasons people hold themselves back. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of change, these can feel overwhelming. But fear often grows larger when you avoid facing it. When you take action despite fear, you discover that you are stronger than your doubts. Every successful person has faced moments of uncertainty and struggle. The difference is not that they were fearless, it is that they moved forward anyway. Courage is not the absence of fear but the decision to continue despite it. Another challenge people face is distraction. In today's world, it is easy to spend hours scrolling through social media, comparing your life to others, or getting lost in temporary entertainment. While relaxation is important, too much distraction steals your time and focus. Imagine if you spent just one focused hour every day learning a new skill, improving your health, or working on a meaningful project. Over time, those small efforts would create powerful change. The secret is not doing everything at once but being consistent with small steps. Success is not only about money or status, it is about growth, balance, and inner satisfaction. True success means becoming a better version of yourself, more patient, more disciplined, more understanding. It means building relationships based on trust and kindness. It means taking care of your physical and mental health so you can enjoy the life you are creating. When you focus only on external rewards, you may feel empty even after achieving them. But when you focus on personal development and meaningful goals, success becomes a journey filled with purpose. Love is another important part of life. Love is not only romantic, it includes family, friends, and the kindness you show to strangers. Strong relationships give you support during difficult times and joy during happy moments. But relationships require effort, communication, honesty, and respect. When you invest time in the people who matter, you build connections that enrich your life. At the same time, it is important to love yourself. Self-respect and self-care are not selfish, they are necessary for a healthy and balanced life. Freedom is often misunderstood. Many people think freedom means having no responsibilities, but true freedom comes from discipline and wise choices. When you manage your time well, learn useful skills, and make thoughtful decisions, you gain independence and confidence. Freedom is the ability to choose your path rather than being controlled by habits or fears. It grows when you take responsibility for your actions and accept that your future depends largely on the choices you make today. One powerful step toward a meaningful life is setting clear goals. Goals give direction to your efforts and help you measure progress. Start with simple and realistic goals that match your values and interests. Write them down, break them into smaller tasks, and celebrate small achievements along the way. Progress may be slow at first, but consistency builds momentum. Over time, what once felt difficult becomes part of your routine. Another key factor is mindset. Your thoughts influence your actions and emotions. If you constantly tell yourself that you are not capable, you may avoid challenges and miss opportunities. But if you believe that you can learn and grow, you become more open to trying new things. Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems, it means believing that you have the power to overcome them. Replace negative self-talk with encouraging words and remind yourself that every expert was once a beginner. Learning from failure is essential. Many people see failure as proof that they are not good enough, but in reality, failure is a teacher. Every mistake carries a lesson that helps you improve. Instead of giving up after a setback, ask yourself what you can learn and how you can do better next time. Growth happens when you reflect on your experiences and keep moving forward. Remember that progress is rarely a straight line, it includes ups and downs, successes and challenges. Time management is another powerful tool. When you plan your day with purpose, you reduce stress and increase productivity. Start by identifying your most important tasks and focusing on them when your energy is highest. Avoid multitasking too much. Instead, give your full attention to one task at a time. Balance work with rest, because burnout can slow your progress. Healthy routines, such as regular sleep and exercise, also help you stay motivated and focused. Your environment plays a big role in shaping your habits. Surround yourself with people who encourage growth and positivity. Create a workspace that supports your goals, whether it is a quiet corner for studying or a clean desk for creative projects. Small changes in your surroundings can make it easier to stay disciplined and inspired. If you find yourself in a negative environment, look for ways to protect your energy and stay focused on your vision. Gratitude is another important practice. When you appreciate what you already have, you develop a more positive outlook on life. Gratitude does not mean ignoring your ambitions, it means recognizing your blessings while still working toward improvement. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you are thankful for can increase happiness and reduce stress. It reminds you that even during challenges, there are things worth celebrating. Health is the foundation of everything else. Without physical and mental well-being, it becomes difficult to pursue your dreams. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and moments of relaxation help you maintain energy and resilience. Mental health is equally important. Taking breaks, expressing emotions, and seeking support when needed are signs of strength, not weakness. When you care for your body and mind, you build the stamina required for long-term success. Creativity and curiosity keep life exciting. Trying new hobbies, reading different ideas, and exploring new perspectives help you grow as a person. Learning is not limited to school, it is a lifelong journey. Stay curious about the world and open to new experiences. Sometimes the most unexpected paths lead to the most meaningful opportunities. Taking responsibility for your life can feel challenging, but it is also empowering. When you accept that your choices matter, you gain control over your future. Instead of blaming circumstances or waiting for others to change your situation, focus on what you can do today. Even small actions, sending one email, practicing one skill, or helping one person, can move you forward. Responsibility transforms you from a passive observer into an active creator of your own story. Persistence is the bridge between dreams and reality. There will be days when you feel tired or discouraged. During those moments, remind yourself why you started. Motivation may come and go, but discipline keeps you moving. Build routines that support your goals so you don't rely only on inspiration. Over time, persistence turns effort into achievement. Your story is unique. Comparing yourself to others can create unnecessary pressure and reduce confidence. Everyone has a different background, pace, and set of opportunities. Focus on your own progress rather than measuring yourself against someone else's success. Celebrate your improvements, no matter how small they seem. Growth is personal and meaningful when it reflects your values. Helping others can also bring deep satisfaction. Acts of kindness, volunteering, or sharing knowledge not only make a difference in the world but also strengthen your sense of purpose. When you contribute to others' well-being, you build empathy and connection. A life filled with generosity often feels more fulfilling than one focused only on personal gain. Reflection is important for growth. Take time to review your experiences, recognize your achievements, and learn from challenges. Journaling or quiet thinking can help you understand your emotions and clarify your goals. Reflection keeps you aligned with your values and prevents you from drifting without direction. Finally, remember that change takes time. You may not see results immediately, but every effort adds up. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Celebrate progress, learn from mistakes, and keep moving forward. Life is not a race, it is a journey of continuous growth and discovery. This is your reminder. Don't waste your life waiting for perfect conditions or approval from others. Take action today, even if it is small. Speak kindly to yourself, work toward meaningful goals, build strong relationships, and care for your health. The future is shaped by what you do now. Every day is a new opportunity to move closer to the life you truly want, a life filled with purpose, courage, learning, love, and freedom.